Maths is hard. I hate maths. Maths is not my thing. These are the most viral comments we've been hearing for generations. If you would believe what I'm about to say, maths is not difficult as long as you can see a movie and understand it, as long as you can speak, as long as you can read and write, as long as you can engage in your day-to-day activity. You are already born mathematician. The big question here is, why are we afraid of mathematics when we make use of mathematics every day? It is not because you don't know mathematics, but how maths has been introduced to us. Memorizing formulas without meaning, solving problems without context, seeing mathematics as an illusion and a subject that does not relate to our day-to-day life, getting judged for wrong answers rather than being encouraged to explore and learn more. But math isn't just symbols and numbers in the pages of the textbook. It's a language of pattern. It's a way of thinking and is a superpower of solving problems. It's the mother of science and the foundation of all inventions. Let me not bore you with all these terminologies and grammar. Let me bring it down. You plan a trip before you travel. You allocate time for your day-to-day activities. You just learned how to cook and you are following the recipe. I can see you teaching your friend or your child how to do something now. You are using mathematical thinking. Maths is not all about getting the right answers at the first time. It's all about following the processes to get the answers. It's all about asking questions, exploring ideas, and learning how to connect things. Just like every movie tells you a story, maths tells you the stories of the world in numbers, pattern, and logic. And that's maths in motion. You don't need to be good at mathematics because you already are. You just need to see things differently. So the next time you say, I am not a maths person, just remember, as long as you are eating, you are laughing, you are relating, you are going for shopping, you are going about life, you are already living mathematics. Embrace it. Trust it. You were never bad at mathematics. You never just saw how good you were. So where did the fear come from? Most of us never experienced maths. We were only told how to memorize it. And we did it well. And that's not your fault. It doesn't mean you are not capable. It only means that you just have to build a new relationship with mathematics. And here's the truth. Nobody was born bad at mathematics. We all can grow, learn, and improve, including you. You are not dull. You are not behind. You are simply learning, and learning is powerful. To every student watching this, you can do this. You are more than capable. It's okay to struggle. That's part of growing. It's okay to ask for help. That's how we learn. And it's okay to take your time because you are not in a race with anyone. What matters is that you keep going and become resilient. So the next time you think that you are not a maths person, just remember, you plan, you think before you solve. Believe in your mind. Trust the process and you will definitely see the result. So follow me in this journey of math practice. Here, I'm going to be taking you through a journey of practicalizing mathematics in all areas. And this is not a conventional channel where we just bring the board and we write. We are going to be making maths fun, diversifying maths in several areas. Sit back, relax, subscribe, like, comment. Follow us through this journey and you'll be glad you did. See you in class.